اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. Guidance for every step. The supplication, O Allah, guide us to the straight path, is a request for Allah to support us with His aid and empowerment to right way in every aspect of our life, one that keeps us free from mistakes, doubts, and harmful consequences. It is a request for clarity, true knowledge, and success that comes from the following the path favored by Allah. Reflections and lessons. 1. Aligning with the right path ensures long-term success and social harmony. 2. In decisions, seek advice from experts and those with proven wisdom only. 3. In moments of uncertainty, turn to prayer and ask Allah to guide you. Then seek advice from the righteous people who possess knowledge.